Hello, my kids. Welcome back to a new story. Today's story is Glim, the Glow Lizard. In a bright green jungle where vines hung low and bugs buzzed all day, lived a little lizard named Glim. Glim was not big, Glim was not loud, but Glim had something very special. Glim could glow. When Glim was happy, his skin glimmered. When he was very excited, he glowed bright green. When he was scared, well, he glowed even more. Glow again, Glim, glow again, Glim, laughed the bugs. Glim smiled. I can't stop it, he said. I just glow. One sunny morning, Glim climbed onto a glassy rock near the jungle path. From there, he could glance at everything: tall trees, green grass, wiggly worms. Suddenly, clump, something big landed nearby. It was Glog, the young jungle dinosaur. Glog liked to glide when he ran, but today Glog looked upset. What's wrong? Glim asked. My favorite fruit is gone, Glog groaned. The golden glow fruit from the tall tree. Glow fruit was special. It gleamed in the sun and tasted sweet. Glim's eyes grew wide. Let's go look, he said. Glim hopped down and glided over the grass. Glog stomped beside him. As they walked, Glim's skin began to glimmer. Are you glowing again? Glog asked. Yes, said Glim. That means something interesting is near. They reached a twisty jungle trail. The ground was muddy. The leaves were slippery. Go slow, Glim said. But suddenly, glide, glide, glide. Glog slid forward. Glim! He shouted. Glim jumped fast and grabbed a vine. Hold on! They stopped just in time. Glog took a deep breath. Good thing you glow, he said. Glim smiled shyly. They kept going. Soon they heard giggles. Gurr, gurr, gurr. Behind a bush popped out three tiny creatures called gloops. The gloops were round, the gloops were bouncy, and the gloops loved shiny things. One gloop held the golden glow fruit. There it is, shouted Glog. The gloops gasped. Glow fruit, one said. It was glowing. We thought it was a toy. Glim stepped forward. Glow fruit helps the jungle grow, he said kindly. We need it back. The gloops looked unsure. Then Glim did something clever. He stood tall, took a deep breath, and let his body glow bright green. The jungle lit up. Leaves glittered. Rocks gleamed. The gloops stared in awe. Wow! They whispered. You glow like the jungle spirit. Glim laughed. I'm just Glim. The gloops smiled and gently placed the glow fruit down. Sorry, they said. We didn't know. Glog picked it up carefully. You saved the day, my friend, he cheered. Everyone cheered. You are not just a glow lizard, Glog said.
You are a globe guide.
Glim's cheeks glimmered.
I guess glowing is useful,
he said. That afternoon, Glim climbed back onto his glassy rock. The sun shone, the jungle burst, and the Glim glowed. Not because he was scared, not because he was excited, but because he was proud. Bye bye, my kids.